Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a yes or no reading today. So, if you have any specific question in your mind or any specific situation that you want clarity on, then this is the reading for you. I have three options over here. So, all you need to do is keep your situation in your mind and choose from this card or the number one. You can choose from this card or the number 2, or you can choose from this card or the number 3. So for those who have chosen the number 1, I am getting a no message for you. I feel that whatever you are worrying about is probably not even gonna happen. I also feel for people who have chosen the number 1 that you need to put some boundaries when it comes to certain people or certain situations in your life. I feel that you have been giving out too much energy to others' problems or others' issues, or you just have been giving out too much unnecessary energy. And I just think that it's time to take a break, to say no to what feels draining. I think that you need to stand your ground and learn to say no more. So I hope that you could relate to this reading. Now I'll be moving on to number 2. So for those who have chosen the number 2, I am getting the message of reconsider. Okay. So this could have a couple of meanings. For some people, I could feel that there's a lot of cord cutting that you need to still do. I feel that the past still has a lot of hold on you, or maybe the decisions that you are making right now are still from the energy of the past, or they have a very heavy impact. Like whatever happened in the past has had a very heavy impact on you. I also feel that right now you should not make any decision. For people who have chosen the number 2, I think take some time to reconsider your steps, to reconsider what is to be done next. To You can even pray to Archangel Michael to help you cut the negative cords. The color yellow is also standing out to me for you, but I'm just getting a good vibe. Like, I feel that moving forward, a lot of healing and blessings are coming your way. You just need to be a bit more bolder right now. So for those who have chosen the number 3, I'm getting a very strong yes in this card. I also feel for some people like there could be two options or two opportunities coming your way. This could be in love, this could be in career, but this seems like a very positive affirmation sort of a card. For some people, I also see that maybe you would be juggling two jobs or two careers or two things one at a time. I feel that your energy is glowing. Like, I feel all the work that you have been doing on yourself, I think that's going to really pay off, and very soon you're going to see a lot of positive changes around you. You're going to see a lot of healing, a lot of light. I also see that you're empowering yourself. Like, the word empowerment is really coming to my mind for you. So I hope that you could relate to these messages. Thank you so much for watching.